30. Why would I apply to 30 universities and colleges? What are my decisions and what's my advice for you guys? Stay tuned. What's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Noah, an international student from Ethiopia. Shout out to all Ethiopians out there. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my college admission decision results and also my advice for all of you applying this year or maybe next year. So please stay tuned. Let's start from the decisions. So what did I get? Where did I get rejected? Where did I get accepted? Where did I get waitlisted? So I present you my decision results. Hold on. I know you might say these are a lot of rejections, but I got accepted into a great college. So the main reason why I did this video for you guys is to share with you my advice. So let's get right straight into the advice. Advice number 1, early decision. Early decision, you guys need to do early decision. For those of you who don't know early decision is a process where you bind with a college. So if a college admits you, you have to go there. It's mandatory. You cannot break it. So I did my early decision at Cornell and I regret doing that. That's my regret number 1. Please don't waste your early decisions on Ivy League colleges. Please do early decision at a college in which you have a great chance of getting in. Apply there, commit there, have some safety schools. If they have early action, apply to those schools through their early action. And please don't use regular decision. On regular decision, the pool is always 4 times bigger. The applicants are 4 times more stronger than the early decision applicants. So please apply early. Advice number 2, start early. I know you might be studying for your SATs and you might have started your Common App account, but that doesn't count. Yeah, it doesn't count at all. You need to start writing your essay. Your essay is the main determining factor for you to get into college. So starting now, choose a college, research that college, start writing your essay. Even if you didn't choose a college, start your Common App essay. Start writing your Common App essay. So please start writing, no matter what you feel, no matter what you're thinking right now, just write it. You won't regret it when the deadline approaches. So please start writing your essay. I wrote all of my essays on the date of the deadline and that's what I regret. Advice number 3. Advice number 3 is when you do research for your college, choose a single college and then do research on that college for at least a month. So when you do research, you have to do is you need to contact the admissions officers Yeah, I didn't know that, but please talk to them through email and don't ask them questions which are easily available on their website. That would give you a bad look. So talk to them, be friendly. You need to have those connections. If they have interviews, please schedule an interview. You need to do an interview. And also, please do research on that school well. Yeah, that's the best way to know if a college also fits you. Number 4. For all of you planning to apply to more colleges, like me, don't do that. So if you're applying for financial aid, you need to submit the CSS profile. For all of you who do not know CSS profile, I'll be making a next video. So when you apply to more colleges, you need to submit the CSS profile individually, and the CSS profile costs $14 for a single college. So you'll have more costs added. So please apply to less colleges. You need to choose them strategically. You need to choose a college which can give you a good financial aid and which you have a good chance of getting it. You need to do that. Be wise, be smart. That's my advice. Advice number 5. I know there are colleges which have a greater acceptance rate, but mostly those colleges won't give financial aid. So please don't apply to those colleges too. It's a waste of time and a waste of money. Don't do that. If they don't give you financial aid and if they accept you, that won't make a difference. Still, you're not gonna go there. So please don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. Do that. So that was it. My admissions decision results and my advice. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, for all of you applying this year or maybe next year. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll try to make a lot of videos for you guys during the next weeks. Yeah, I'll be releasing videos about different colleges, about the CSS profile, how to get financial aid. So please subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.